Yo, what is going on YouTube? Kostulas here, back with another video. Alright, so today we're going to talk about how I grew my YouTube channel by 50 subscribers over the past week. As you guys know, I've had my channel for over a year now, and I haven't blown up yet, right? Everybody's trying to blow up on YouTube. Well, my goal is not to blow up on YouTube. It is to make money from my personal brand and to get more clients for my advertising agency. If you guys are new to the channel, I have my own social media advertising agency where I help local businesses or businesses all over the world. Literally, I'm helping somebody in India today. I help businesses all over the world increase their businesses, sales by like 10 to 30% using Facebook ads, Google ads, and email marketing strategies. So that's basically the rundown of what I do for businesses. And I also have my own personal brand. I'm trying to grow on YouTube and I'm trying to grow on Instagram. Now, I want to break down for you guys, why would you want to pay for your subscribers at first? Well, YouTube is not going to promote you the way their algorithms work. When people are Googling stuff, right, and searching videos on YouTube, like, they're gonna promote the videos that have already shown that have gotten really good traction, who are getting a lot of views and whatnot. YouTube promotes videos that are like more likely to be viewed by somebody else. Like, that's why my channel really didn't get that much traction at first, but over the past month and the past week, I'm really starting to figure out, all right, this is how I can grow, and this is my ROI on these subscribers. So why would I want to do that? Why would I want to spend like 15 bucks a day on YouTube ads and ads for Instagram and ads for YouTube? Why would I want to do that? Why? Because a subscriber, to me and to you, if they are highly targeted and they are interested in the product that you are selling, they are worth so much money to you, So for me, we're going to use my example, my journey. This is how I plan on monetizing my channel. I literally want to create playlists for you guys and, show myself as an authority on YouTube that shows you how to set up ads, that shows you how to run your own social media advertising agency, that shows you how to start your own personal brand. That's what I want to do. I want to find people who are interested in that stuff and then have them buy my course, have them flip my course, and, be financially free and just basically repeat and do exactly what I did. Whether you want to help people make money, whether you want to help people get healthy, whether you want to make a gaming channel, makeup channel, it doesn't matter, right? Like, there's something in your head that you really like, right? Like, for me, my favorite thing in the world is to play baseball, okay? Baseball. My biggest goals in this whole world is to, play in the major leagues one day. So what I want to do is make as much money as I can now from my personal brand and from my advertising agency, and be financially free to the point where I can hire, major league trainers, people that are really high end that you have to pay a lot for. I want to be able to hire them to get me into the shape of a professional athlete, and then I plan on practicing my craft every single day and documenting it, on my YouTube. So there's so many different ways that you can express yourself on YouTube with your own personal brand. Whether you're a musician, like whether you're an artist, whatever you like to teach, you can teach anything. If you have a business and you need, to sell more stuff, social media is the way to go. All social media is online word of mouth. It's a business. Think of it as your business with your name on it, and you literally can monetize based on the problems that you can solve for people. Like, if I can teach you how to get one client to pay you $1,000 a month on a recurring basis, I'm worth that $500 that you would pay for my course. You know what I'm saying? Like, you need to figure out what it is that you can help serve the world with, and just, document your life's journey, and then, it really just goes like that. Now, how did I grow? Like, you guys see my channel, I have over like 150 videos. How have I been growing? How am I getting traction to the channel? I'm getting traction through the channel by using YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Instagram story ads, okay? On my personal brand course, I literally take you guys into my computer and I show you the exact formula that I use to now, grow my subscribers. Like, I'm growing like 5 to 10 a day, but I'm really learning how to niche down and find my dream clients, right? My dream client is somebody who is interested in entrepreneurship and they're narrowed down to liking social media marketing, they're narrowed down to them liking advertising, narrowed down to like Gary Vaynerchuk, Ty Lopez, Russell Brunson, Grant Cardone. If you like them, those people have the clients that I want. Those people have the subscribers that would resonate with my channel. So what I do is I go into the ad platforms and I use the demographics to get me people who are just like them, to get me people who are constantly looking up their videos. So if somebody's searching Ty Lopez, right, and they're about to watch a Ty Lopez video, literally my ad's gonna pop up on YouTube or it's gonna pop up on Instagram, and it's gonna literally be on their story feed or it's gonna be on their in-stream feed on YouTube. And I'm promoting the same type of stuff that Ty's promoting, the same type of stuff that Gary V's promoting. So if people like resonate with my ad in the first 20 to 30 seconds, then boom, you get a subscriber right then and there. Like I went to bed last night, I had about 190 subscribers for my channel, and I woke up this morning and I have 199. It's mad dope because, I'm extremely grateful for that, because when this entire time of me literally, making videos, starting my YouTube channel, I never knew that I could literally do this for myself. Now, the best way that really gave me the practice to figure out how to do this stuff was by helping other businesses, was by getting really comfortable with the Facebook ads. I'm an expert now at Facebook ads. Like, I can literally go on there and literally increase any business's sales by 10 and 30%. I know I can, whether you're a doctor, whether you're a real estate agent, whether you're a restaurant business owner, it doesn't matter. I can help you grow your business because I understand the way the ad platform works. I understand the demographics, I understand the topics, I understand the custom audiences. There's so many different things that go into making these ads, and that's why I have my channel. That's why I've been really dialed down on focusing on online marketing these past couple of weeks, because online marketing is literally, I'm not gonna say it's easy, because there's no way in fuck it's easy, but it sure beats waking up at a time where somebody else is making me wake up at that time, and it sure beats commuting every day to some place. I get to chill out at my crib every single day and work on business. I get to work on my personal brand, which is making videos and editing, which I really enjoy. I get to hang out with my two best friends, Josh and Joe, and we work on business all day. So I'm chilling out with my friends all day, literally, because I'm lucky enough to have like-minded friends who are also entrepreneurs. Josh creates websites, he does graphic design, does all that logo stuff. Like, my man Josh has picked up like 5 clients in the past week for his for websites and whatnot. Like, he's helping out my dad's girlfriend Felicia with her website. We're gonna help her really grow her channel. Not her channel. We're really gonna help her grow her Facebook and grow her. We're gonna grow her sales, because her website is absolutely garbaggio, and we're gonna fix that for her. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna put a link in the description for to follow me on Instagram and to follow Josh on Instagram. If you guys know anybody or know any businesses that could use help with Facebook advertising or Google advertising, or they need a website, hit me up. Really simple. Just hit me up in the comments, or actually DM me on Instagram. That's the best place you can reach me, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's how I grew my subscribers this past week by 50. That's way more than I've grown so far on YouTube. I have my personal brand course coming out in February, where I show you guys literally step-by-step how to do this stuff. There's only gonna be limited spots for the test group that I'm like letting people into for free. So if you want to be part of that select test group, I'm only selecting 10 people. 10 people are gonna get into the course absolutely free. So that link is also going to be in the description. I want you guys to literally see the proof, like, yo, it works. That's why I want 10 people in the group to just give me testimonials, because the second I get those testimonials, the money's gonna be coming in like wildfire. And then literally in this course, I literally show you guys step by step what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and you know, just the utmost value up front first. Okay, so peace.